Welcome viewers, this is Jason from Jason G Designs. This is the final tutorial in the style variation series. Since this part of the series is short, I will do like before and give some updates that were made to the theme. For those viewers following along, there is yet another updated version of Mix and Styles GB. It is in the Part 5 section of Tutorial Resources. I added a newer, updated screenshot. The theme now loads CSS per block, so if a block does not show up on the current page, none of this theme's CSS for it shows up. An article that shows how to do this is linked in the description if you're interested. And now our gradients are using generic slug names. This cuts down on significant amounts of code for overriding colors where needed. These colors can now be overridden in a .json file. Anyway, on with the tutorial. Let's open purple bright yellow.json. Right after the button object, we can create a new cover object and inner palette array. We'll grab the same colors from our navigation palette, copy and paste into the cover block palette. On one of the pages in the WordPress backend, you can see that our cover block overlay is using the new colors. Let's check out our hero header, which features a cover block. Right now, it is using the tertiary color assigned to our style variation, a light violet. In the already existing blue and orange color scheme, I switched the tertiary color to the background color's opposite, orange. We want to do something similar for this color scheme too, so let's copy the text from accent 3 to accent 5 and paste into a temporary new file. From here, we are going to replace the value from accent 3 with the value from accent 5. The colors for the previous accent 3 and accent 4 will go into accent 4 and accent 5, respectively. Now, the color order has changed, with accent 3 being our new tertiary color, bright yellow. Looking at this background on the front end, it doesn't look that great. It is too orange. We are going to adjust this slightly. Let's bump up the opacity to 70% to begin with. Since the white text isn't legible against the light background, let's change it. I chose the primary color, which is purple. And this is a new cover block with a complementary color on the front end. In the future update, this look per style variation may become the standard. We have finally concluded the style variation series. I hope this gives some insight into how this works. With style variations, there are many more things you can change, anything that can go into a block theme .json file. For Mix and Styles GB, I plan to add more font choices, some more style choices for navigation and buttons, and WooCommerce integration. If you want to keep updated on all things happening with Mix and Styles GB in the future, please sign up for my newsletter. You can find the form on the front page of my blog site, Jason G Designs. Thank you, my viewers, for following the series. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress content.